the program is going to be that first 5 minutes are going to be provided to LNCT, University of Bhopal, who are the hosts to our program today, and they will be having their Vice Chancellor coming and attending and gracing the occasion before we start the discussion on the Architects Act.
So shall I start?
Yes, absolutely, Sheetal.
So good afternoon, everyone. And on behalf of School of Architecture, LNCT University, myself, Dr. Sheetal Sharma, invite you all to participate in the सीधी बात expert के साथ. हालांकि नाम से पता चल जाएगा हम इसमें नेशनल लैंग्वेज यूज कर सकते हैं, so be free to ask anything. It can be Hindi English version, so no worries. First of all, I thank you everyone for coming and patiently waiting with us. You know, nowadays the technical issues have taken more leap than the human resources. So I welcome you all again. First of all, my apologies for being late. If I'm during my preparation or during this process, if any of the technical faults come, we first of all take the apology. Then we thank you all for coming to this webinar and attending many more such webinars which you have been attending for so many days and listening to the same thing. I hope in this webinar we may add something new which will be more appreciable by you and more interactive. जिसका इसलिए मैंने नाम रखा है सीधी बात एक्सपर्ट के साथ. तो आप लोग अगर जितना भी अपने साथ में एक्सपर्ट के साथ इंटरेक्शन करना चाहें, we want to give you the full liberty. First of all, a very warm welcome to all the dignitaries in the panel. Sorry for bothering you for so many days, changing the dates, everything, but you have really shown your patience and kindness. Thank you, the dignitaries which are on the panel. Thank you to the audience. You have given a great support within a short time span of time. A very big thank you to our President Khan sir, because he rightly said, Sheetal, proceed with the discussions. As many discussions, more the discussions, more will be the fruitful talks and more will be the output. So thank you to him. Thank you to Kushwa sir, COA Social. He also encouraged me to proceed with this. Thank you to Vinay Srivastav sir from IIMP chapter and the whole team which is working behind and on the screen and off the screen on FB as well as YouTube. Thank you for coming here. A wholehearted thanks to all of them on behalf of LNCT University. Only two words which I would like to say. सबकी आरज़ू यही है कि हर पहलू पता हो, इस अमेंडमेंट का हर शब्द हमें पता हो, उसका मतलब पता हो, चाहे हमने उसे पढ़ा हो या ना पढ़ा हो, पर हमारी राय इसमें शामिल हो. इसको सफल बनाने में हमसे अगर कोई आप मदद चाहते तो वो उसमें शामिल हो. कोई तो हो जो स्टूडेंट की मुश्किलों को सुने, कोई तो हो जो प्रैक्टिसिंग आर्किटेक्ट्स की समस्याओं का समाधान करे, कोई तो हो जो शिक्षक का भी बात सुन ले और कोई आम आदमी की भी बात सुने जो आर्किटेक्चर फील्ड से अपनी आशाएं रखता है. तो इसके साथ मैं इस प्रोग्राम को शुरू करना चाहूँगी जिसमें सारे पैनलिस्ट अपनी अपनी स्पेशल एक सब्जेक्ट जिन पे उनकी कमांड है, मीन्स दे आर द maybe they are the part of the panel, maybe they are the part of the Amendment Act, and they will be sharing their very important views on this Amendment Act and what will be the procedure of architecture profession after these amendments are being continued. So attempts have started all over the India. We are giving continuously our opinions to the council. Even we are criticizing many things, but that is a part of the process. So council is okay with this, and जितने criticism होगा उतना I think beneficial अपने लिए होगा. So be it be the question of the entrance of the architecture, in short I will say, be it architectural education, minimum standards of qualification, UG, PG, maybe the training placement of students, maybe it is the exit exam which you are worried, or maybe it is the right to practice, and the most difficult question ki whether the architect title is valid only for architects or there are so many things going on. Maybe it is a government firm, private firm. There are many such issues which come under some specific categories. But what happens when we start the webinars, we just jumble all the questions. So in this webinar, I would like you to just see one subject and the sub-related topics with this. The experts will be speaking upon it. They are more known to these subjects. So we'll continue with this education, profession, the act, and the replications which are coming from the act. So rather taking more time, I will just introduce to you to the LNCT University. School of Architecture has been started only 2 years back in this university. And at present, we are trying our best to give the best the things to the students as well as the practicing architects in Bhopal, MP, and everywhere. I just want to give you a small introduction about the university, and I would like to invite my Vice Chancellor, sir, after the introduction to speak to you 2 words. Can I share the screen?
Sure, ma'am, you can.
I think it is disabled. I'm not able to share the screen.
Ma'am, now you can start.
Okay, sir. Is my screen not visible to all? So this is our today's talk, that is Sidhi Baat, expert ke saath, a critical talk in which there is no limitation how critically you talk or how critically you ask the presenters about any of the subjects or topics related to you. As a process, we start with the lamp lighting. So I will just take one moment to thank God for giving me this opportunity. LNCT University, majorly coming under the HK Culture Education Trust. It has started from 1993 onwards from a small college, and it has grown up now with at least 15 to 16 various branches, various medical and other 43 and more subjects running it. And we are expanding from one college to another, one university to another under various names and various subjects we can add to it. School of Architecture is a constituent institute of the LNCT University. So LNCT University was founded in 2015, and since then, whether it is the national ranking or whether it is the education which is being given in the LNCT University is considered as the best, not only in MP but all over the India. We have more than 45 courses, more than 15,000 students, and more than 3,000 faculties. These are the patron of LNCT University, our respectable secretary, Dr. Anupam Choksey sir, whom I really troubled a lot for this webinar. I think we have changed the date for at least 3 to 4 times, but at night, 12 o'clock also, he was ready to give us the ID password. So thank you, sir, for giving me this chance. Our respective Chancellor, J.N. Choksey sir, he is always available for any of the help needed by any of the faculty or any of the staff. And our respectable Chancellor, sir, Dr. Narendra Kumar Thapak. The one most important thing is that Mr. Thapak is a doctorate in law. So when he heard about the amendment acts, I think he was the most happy person that we are talking something about law also in architecture. So I request my Vice Chancellor, sir, to kindly give us a 2 minutes encouragement speech, and then I will shift to the Ashish Gupta, sir, for the further proceedings. Thapak, sir, are you there? Thapak, sir. Yes, sir, you are live and we can hear you.
Yes, you can hear me? You can hear me? Yes. On behalf of LNCT University, myself, Professor Narendra Thapak, Vice Chancellor, I would like to thank and welcome to Honorable Chancellor Sri J.N. Choksey sir, today's distinguished guests and keynote speakers, Honorable Dr. Amta ji, Chairman IIE MP Chapter, Sri Vijay Garg ji, former President, Council of Architecture, Honorable Sri Puneet Sethi ji, Chairman IIA Haryana Chapter, Honorable Surinder Bagha ji, IIA Punjab Chapter, Honorable Sri Shashi Mohan Srivastav, Chairman IIA Uttarakhand Chapter, Honorable Sri Ashish Gupta ji, Joint Secretary, IIA Northern Chapter, Professor Manoj Mathur Sahab, Joint Secretary, IIA Northern Chapter. I welcome you again. Hello, I welcome you in online virtual webinar on the very relevant topic, the Architecture Act 1972 proposed amendments. All members of organizing committee, delegates, participants, principal of School of Architecture, Dr. Sheetal Sharma ji. This webinar aims to enrich the knowledge of faculty, architecture world, students through interaction with eminent personalities from the academics and architecture fields. The knowledge sharing will improve the teaching learning process for the teachers, students, and benefits of the society. I wish that this webinar is very useful for you. I again wish for a grand success of this webinar. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.